It's just about now I'm realising that I didn't get an intro for this video. So here goes nothing. We attempted the woodwork challenge with a rugby-sized twist. Now, the woodwork challenge consists of hitting the crossbar and both posts, but because I thought it was too easy, I preemptively made it harder by cutting the post in half where they meet the crossbar. Now, onto the video. I think I was recording when I hit the crossbar. Come around. Oh, we take that. We take it off the bounce. Oh. Thank you. Oh. Right, we've got to work out a system. We've only got 3 balls. If one of us stays here for 6, then go. Well, no, stay here. I'll kick 3, then I'll go there. You kick 6.
Yeah.
I'll kick 3 back.
Yeah.
And then run 3 back or something.
What size are your boots? Out of curiosity.
Asking for 13, I think.
Asking for a friend.
If you want, you can have the left one.
No, that's okay.
Ah! Crossbar.
Dude!
Oh!
Dude!
Again, he's done it again. All right. Left post. Left upper post. Oh, drop kick.
I just killed you.
Oh, that's crossbar again. Oh, oh my gosh. You gotta get one of those 3. Oh, here it is. Which one? Oh, in the light. Oh.
Ball.
Oh my gosh, that's the closest I've been.
Ike?
Ah!
Oh, dude.
After using all the power in our right and left boots, we decided to try something new. Oh!
I knew it.
Come on! I'm waiting.
That was not top left.
Scoop it up.
Catch.
One hand, one bounce.
And then you're gonna throw it back?
Oh.
Go put this on my back. I give up. On your back, sorry.
Can I hit it, my rugby ball with it? The only thing that's about to go right. What I was going to say left there. Ah! Bah! I'm so on here. Oh. We have not checked this in a while. Are we on? Oh shit. Genuinely caught it on 1%. take it off, put the magnet back on, and then put it in the other slot.
Understood.
The magnet goes on the outside. I'm sure you can hear we lost our audio. With just one more pole to hit, we started losing our minds as well. Strap in, because it gets a lot worse from here. Which one do you want?
Top right.
Top left?
No, top left.
I'm going bottom right then. Ready?
Wait, which one do I want? I
Yeah.
thought you were saying which one do I want you to hit?
Oh, which one do you want to hit?
I want to hit bottom right.
I'm hitting top left.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Land on it. Yeah, it's on it.
Get over there. Okay, which one do you want me to hit?
I would like you to hit this one, please.
Okay. Oh. Nearly. Ready? Oh. Probably closer to me than it is to you.
Oh, from there, from there. That's bottom right done. Dude. Dude. That's okay. That's not. I'll give you a second. I'm stealing some water.
I'm using.
With how dark the sky got, I'm sure you can guess how long we were there for. So the camera did end up dying as we were about to hit the pole. So I had to reenact it. Anyways, we'll see you next time.